How to log out of Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you log out or sign out of your Facebook Messenger account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Messenger with your account. Alright, so after you open the application with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on menu option just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from the menu section, you'll be able to find the options like switch profile. So you can, as usual, switch your Messenger account profile by tapping the switch profile option. So here is no any official way or options to log out of your Messenger account. So you have to uninstall the app or clear the app data of Messenger. So after then Messenger app will reset to its default. So you can as usual do that, or you can also find the login device by tapping on the settings section. So simply tap on settings. Okay, so from the settings section, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the options like account center. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from the account center, you'll have to go the option password and security. Okay, so from here, tap on where you are logged in. Okay, so from here, choose your Facebook account. Alright, so after you come on this section, you'll be able to find every device whenever your account was logged in that device. So from here, you can also log out that device from your account. So this is the easiest and alternative method to log out of your Messenger account from the other device. So there is no any official way to log out of Messenger account from your device. So this is the alternative method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.